do some cool hacks with Coca-Cola bottles. It's time to wake up Mike and do some hacks. You've got gum in our hair.
Really?
How can we get rid of it? We can use Coca-Cola to remove the gum.
I'm not too sure about that.
Here, hold this container.
Okay.
I just pour some cola on the gum to help loosen it from your hair. Then I use a brush to gently remove it. There! Easy, right?
That feels so much better. Hey, thanks so much. It worked.
Oops!
Ow.
I'm sorry, I didn't see you down there.
Oh no, I drew on the carpet with my marker. Look at that ugly stain.
I know what to do. We can use cola to remove the stain.
Really? Okay, well, we'll give it a try.
Pour some cola on the stain. Then use a paper towel to remove it.
Cool, it worked.
Time to put on makeup. Ew, that is really dirty. I guess I have to clean it. I could use a regular cleaner, or I could use cola. It works like a charm.
I'm gonna fix my cabinet. Oh, this drill bit is all rusted. Luckily, we can remove the rust by bathing it in a glass of Coca-Cola. Now, all we have to do is wait.
Ouch! That bee sting really hurt. Oh, I know what to do. I'll pour some Coke on it to help with the swelling and itching. It still hurts, but I do feel a little better.
I think that's long enough. Let's see if it worked. That looks much better. Now I can repair my cabinet rust-free.
Phew, it's getting warm in here.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, but your drink is warm. Don't you have any ice cubes?
I have a better idea. We can make Coca-Cola ice cubes.
Really?
Not only does it keep your drink nice and cool, it also won't dilute your cola as the ice melts. Do you want some Coca-Cola ice with your Coca-Cola?
Wow, cool.
Cheers!
That tastes great.
Oh yes!
See you soon. Bye-bye.